Hi, this is my new puppet that was given to me by Erik from Holy Monkey 3. Is that right?
That's right.
He's so cute. I was wondering, how did you make his eyes?
Well, see, I get these eyes from Carolyn and Jerry over at GlassEyesOnLine.com. And so what I did is I took these eyes right here, the pink part, and I put them through some spoons. And then I put a little bit of fleece on the eyelids, and that's a little bit of rubber across there for the eyelids too, and just to give us some definition.
Oh, that is so cute. Okay, what about that beautiful pink nose?
Oh, the pink nose, yeah. So they have these little oval things, and they got these oval things in this drawer over here. See if I... So those right there, yeah. I just took one of those, and I put a little bit of fleece over it, and then I poked it right through there.
Okay, now I have a very personal question to ask you.
Uh-oh.
About your tail. I just think your tail is adorable. Now, what is your tail? What is it made from?
I gotta tell you, that is kind of personal. But, so the tail, yeah, the tail is made from a plastic golf ball that I got at the Dollar Tree. And, I just covered it with some fur.
Oh, it's so cute.
And then, you can stitch it right onto the part where it goes. I don't really talk about that part too much. So, yeah.
Oh, gosh. Well, thank you so much for giving us some tips on how to make eyes and noses. I really appreciate it. And thanks for stopping by to visit us.
It was my pleasure.